Hey guys, these breakfast burritos were so delicious. Oh my God. Welcome back, y'all. Let's get into it.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a violin. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you haven't, place on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you haven't, place on nothing. I'll take you. I'll take you there.
So here are the ingredients you will need to make these delicious breakfast burritos. We are going to make some hash browns with this. We're going to do some scrambled eggs. And yes, we're going to have some turkey bacon. And go ahead and add us some white cheddar cheese and all that good stuff. So let's get started. So here we're going to peel our potatoes here. And then we're going to go ahead and get them rinsed off and get ready to chop them up. After our potatoes have been rinsed, we're going to go ahead and cut them into bite-sized pieces because remember, we're going to put them in our tortillas, okay? So just go ahead and cut them up. So our bell peppers have been washed, and then we're going to go ahead and slice and dice them so we can get them ready for our potatoes. And you will also need a yellow onion. I thought I needed two, but I only used one, and dice those as well. And during that time, our potatoes were soaking in some water just to get them a little bit tender. So we're going to rinse them off again and then get them ready for the pan. And I also had some green onions to add. And I forgot to show these in the beginning of the video of part of our recipe. So we're just going to dice these up. And then we're going to save the green part for towards the end of the recipe. So add you some avocado oil in the pan. And then let it heat up. Be careful. You know, that grease splatter of the pan was ready and hot, y'all. And then we're just going to add all the seasonings that I showed you in the beginning. Season to your liking, okay? Everybody's taste buds are different. Just let it flow. And how they say, until your ancestors say stop. You know. I don't cook with a lot of salt. So here I'm only using just a little bit of sea salt. And after everything is all seasoned up, we're going to go ahead and marry all these wonderful flavors into our bite-sized potatoes. Oh yes. We're cooking on a medium-high heat. So since we have those potatoes soaking, it's not going to take long for our potatoes to finish cooking. So this process took about 10 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to use some of this garlic herb butter. Oh yes, little pieces. I put probably like a tablespoon and a half of butter in there. Ooh, I tell you, the smell in this kitchen was off the charts. Look at how well it's seasoned. So let's add our veggies in there. Go ahead and add the whites of the green onion. And And remember, I said we're going to save the green leafy part of the green onion for once our dish is just about ready to come off the stove. Go ahead and get everything married together there. And I love a colorful dish. Look at that. Now let's go in with our garlic. I didn't show you that in the beginning, but you had an idea that I was coming with some minced garlic, didn't you? And go ahead and fold that in and only let it to cook for about a few seconds, because you just want to incorporate it very well into the potatoes. Cover it, let it do its thing, build that sweat, and all good. So now let's get our eggs together for our scrambled eggs. And so I used some milk, a little bit of pepper, complete seasoning, and some red hot sauce. And blended it up. And then I came in and shredded some of that white cheddar cheese. Oh yes. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I know I am. It's been really, really relaxing. And thank you all for watching my last video. I appreciate you. And hey, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and share me out if your heart feels content to do so. All I want to do is love on you while you love on me. There's nothing like some bacon frying, got turkey bacon in there. Love it. Go ahead and melt your butter in that skillet for those scrambled eggs. Go ahead and add your eggs. Do your thing. Cook your eggs to your liking. I don't like runny eggs, so mine will be well done. And then we have some butter lettuce here to add to our, and some avocados to add to our tortillas, our burritos. Go ahead and lay this. Listen, this was a trial and error, y'all. Okay, so lay yours however you like them, but I put the eggs in. I tried to put the potatoes on top so that it can melt the cheese a little bit in the potatoes so that it can stick when I close. This first one I put way too much in there, which kind of overflowed. So what I did was save it. Yep, some avocado on top. Yes. So I saved one and put it to the side. And what I did was I just added one to the top because as you can see, it was too full. Okay. So I just made a tortilla. How about that? Added a tortilla on top. Closed it, put it in the pan, toast it, and voila. Child, look, it was falling out. I said, you know what? We're going to do this. Or I don't know. But they were good, y'all. They got eaten and it worked out. I put them suckers in the pig and baby, shoot, have at it. And now let's slice into this baby and see what we got. It finally stayed closed, y'all, for real.
Sizzle and pop, sizzle and pop, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop. Your comfort zone. Your comfort zone.
Thank y'all for watching. The next time I try it, I promise I'm gonna buy bigger tortillas and yeah. But I hope you try this recipe. It was really delicious. As I always say, thank you for watching. I love y'all. Stay blessed. Until next time. Later. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below.